Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we were driving in Wales and saw a sign for the Gwili Steam Railway. Nestled in the picturesque Carmarthenshire countryside of South Wales, this lovingly restored heritage railway offers a delightful journey through stunning landscapes, all powered by the nostalgic charm of vintage steam locomotives. Whether you're a seasoned railway enthusiast or simply looking for a unique and memorable day out, the Gwili Steam Railway promises an adventure you will enjoy. The story of the Gwili Steam Railway is one of both loss and dedicated revival. The original line, part of the Carmarthen to Aberystwyth route, once served as a vital artery for the local communities, transporting goods and passengers through the verdant valleys. Imagine the hustle and bustle of Victorian and Edwardian times, with steam engines like these hard at work, connecting towns and facilitating trade. Sadly, like many rural lines across Britain, the beaching cuts of the 1960s led to its closure in 1973. For nearly 2 decades, the tracks lay silent, a poignant reminder of a bygone era. But the story doesn't end there. A dedicated group of railway enthusiasts with a passion for preserving this piece of Welsh heritage embarked on an ambitious project to bring the Gwili Valley back to life. In 1978, the Gwili Railway Preservation Society was formed, and their tireless efforts began to bear fruit. Piece by painstaking piece, the track was relayed, stations were restored, then locomotives were rescued and lovingly brought back to their former glory. This wasn't just about trains. It was about preserving a vital part of local history and offering future generations a tangible link to the past. As the train gently pulls away, we're immediately immersed in the stunning scenery of the Gwili Valley. The railway meanders alongside the River Gwili, offering breathtaking views of rolling hills, lush woodlands, and tranquil meadows. Keep an eye out for local wildlife. You might spot birds soaring overhead or sheep grazing peacefully in the fields. There's a sense of calm and tranquility as we chug along at a leisurely pace, a welcome escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. This is a chance to truly slow down and appreciate the beauty of the Welsh countryside. While we enjoy the ride, it's worth remembering the incredible work that goes on behind the scenes to keep these magnificent machines running. The dedicated team of engineers and volunteers spend countless hours maintaining and restoring the locomotives, ensuring they remain in perfect working order for generations to come. If you have the chance, give a visit to the engine shed can offer a fascinating glimpse into this intricate world of steam engineering, a testament to human ingenuity and dedication. The Gwili Railway is a standard gauge steam railway located in the village of Bromwyd, 3 miles north of Carmarthen, named after the River Gwili, alongside which it runs for 4 miles between Bromwyd Arms, Abergwili Junction and Danicoed, passing through picturesque farmland and steeply wooded hillsides. Built originally by the Carmarthen and Cardigan Railway, with its 70 and 1/4 inches broad gauge, and the Manchester and Milford Railway Companies, the line was eventually bought up by the Great Western Railway. It carried both passenger traffic and locally produced goods, wool, livestock, milk and timber. Passenger traffic ceased in December 1964, and the last milk train ran in September 1973. If you're enjoying this video, then please consider liking and subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything, but really helps us to keep producing content for the channel. Stay tuned until the end for the photos from the day. There is plenty of opportunity to look around the rolling stock that is being restored or due to be restored when the train makes a stop on the return journey. If you're planning a visit to South Wales, be sure to add the Gwili Steam Railway to your itinerary. It's a fantastic day out for all ages, offering a delightful blend of history, scenery, and the undeniable magic of steam. Check their website for operating days, special events, and ticket information. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we hope to see you chuffing along the tracks soon. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more travel adventures.